Have you ever wondered how to maximize your insurance claim? Or perhaps found yourself overwhelmed by the insurance claim process? Worry no more. Today, we delve into this complex world, breaking it down into manageable steps and offering you tips to maximize your insurance claim. Step 1. Report the incident promptly. Like a hot cup of coffee, insurance claims are best served immediately. The sooner you report the incident to your insurance company, the sooner they can start processing your claim. Step 2. Be honest and accurate. While it may be tempting to exaggerate or fabricate your claim, remember that honesty is the best policy. Misrepresentation can delay the process and could even lead to your claim being denied. Step 3. Gather all relevant documentation. This could range from police reports and medical records to estimates for repairs or replacements. Don't forget to keep receipts for any out-of-pocket expenses you've incurred. Step 4. Be available to cooperate with your insurance adjuster. They're not just there to inspect the damage, but also to ask you questions about the incident. Remember, cooperation is a two-way street. Step 5. Don't sign anything without reading it carefully. Ensure you understand the terms of any settlement offer before you put pen to paper. It's your claim, so you should be in control. Now, on to some additional tips to help you maximize your insurance claim. Firstly, understand your policy coverage. Familiarize yourself with your insurance policy so you know what is and isn't covered. This will help you avoid any unpleasant surprises during the claims process. Secondly, be prepared to negotiate. Insurance companies are for-profit businesses, and they may try to lowball you on your settlement offer. Stand your ground and negotiate to get the full amount you're entitled to. Thirdly, consider hiring an attorney. If your claim is complex or you're having trouble getting a fair settlement, an attorney can be your knight in shining armor. Different types of insurance claims require different approaches. For home insurance claims, take photos of the damage and contact your insurance company immediately if your home is damaged or destroyed by a fire, storm, or other covered event. For auto insurance claims, exchange contact information with the other driver and file a police report if you're involved in a car accident. Contact your insurance company as soon as possible to report the claim. For health insurance claims, submit a claim to your insurance company if you have a medical bill covered by your health insurance plan. This can usually be done online, by mail, or by phone. If you ever find yourself lost in the labyrinth of the insurance claims process, don't hesitate to contact your insurance company. They're there to help you understand your coverage and guide you through the steps of filing a claim. In summary, the path to maximizing your insurance claim involves prompt reporting, honesty, thorough documentation, cooperation with your insurance adjuster, careful review of settlement offers, understanding your policy, negotiation, and possibly legal representation. Remember, every claim is unique and the process may vary, but by following these steps and tips, you're well on your way to mastering the insurance claim process. So the next time you're faced with an insurance claim, fear not, you've got this.